With the advent of the mobile internet era, access to the internet, office, and entertainment anytime and anywhere has become a way of life. However, we often have a lot of unsatisfactory when surfing the internet and charging, such as poor Wi-Fi signal, slow internet speed, frequent dropout, messy desktop, etc. With UTEPO PoE to USB-C docking station, you can fix it well. UTEPO PoE to USB-C docking station supply network and power to devices such as laptops, mobiles, etc. through a PoE cable. You can get the best charging function when using with a 90-watt PoE switch or 90-watt PoE injector, while you have to use both network and DC cables for the general docking station to get power and network. UTEPO PoE to USB-C docking station enriches one PoE Ethernet port to one Ethernet port, two USB-C port, and one USB-A port. The 90-watt PoE input port is compatible with IEEE A02.3 BT standard. It can supply low-carbon, safe, stable, and reliable power to multiple smart devices at the same time. The product's design is compact and portable, which is convenient for installation. It is also highly compatible, which is conducive to the deployment of new smart terminals. The following is how to use the product with BT PoE injector. Connect the BT PoE injector. You can check if it's operating properly by the LED indicator on the port. After providing 90-watt PoE power input, the UTEPO PoE to USB-C docking station would get into operation. The LED indicator on the panel is solid on. You can connect your laptop, mobile phone or tablet to the USB-C port with the icon. You can find the related icon on your device after a successful connection. Now you can enjoy fast charging and a gigabit wired network. When you have multiple charge demand devices, you can connect them to the additional USB-C and USB-A port. You can enable the hotspot function for devices connected to the USB-C port with the icon to allow other devices to join the Wi-Fi network. You can connect some network devices to the gigabit Ethernet port of the docking station, such as IP phones, printers, computers, etc.